just a little tip. We do with Nevada, keep that in mind that they may be a stickler about writing the check out to your company name via either the assignment or limited power of attorney, but there are solutions around that. I mean, if you think about it, how often do you get a check that big, even though not all of it is ours, but a percentage of it? I mean, it's, we made $1,500 or whatever from it. That's not bad for a day's work. All right, we've got 2 checks here that just came in yesterday. These are smaller ones. These are from the state of Nevada, or the counties are in the state of Nevada, and we're going to go deposit these. Now, just real quick with Nevada, they could be a real stickler in writing the checks out to you, even though you have an assignment. So there are several ways around that. Number one is you can have your client meet you at the bank, which is a pain in the butt, and have them sign and endorse it. The other way is you could send the check back with a letter stating that they need to honor the assignment. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and deposit these anyways because our company name is on the check. But in some cases, you may run across that, and it's a real pain, but there are ways to correct it. And if you want to learn more about how to get checks, maybe not this small, but I mean, it's decent. I'd probably put in about, I'd say 2 hours worth of work for each one of these. So 4 hours. So $1,500 for 4 hours of work. It's not bad. So do you want to learn more about it? Just click on the link below. I have a free training. It could show you exactly how to do this business and help you grow not only your finances, but help you grow professionally as well. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.